After over a year and a half, I thought I'd come back and do a quick update with the VEVOR dump cart. It's been a really nice trailer to use to haul things around. Like I mentioned, this one is a dump, so all you gotta do is pull back the lever. Probably need to grease that just a little bit, and then you can tilt this all the way back in order to dump all your debris or whatever you have in here out. You can also pull up these rails. So if you pull this up, now you can easily pull everything out there at the bottom. This does come with a rubber mat. I don't know what I did with it though. Also, all the side rails do come off as well. And it does have some pretty large rubber tires to handle most grounds. Right now I'm using it to do a lot of cleanup around the property. This will do, I think it's 1,600 pounds. It's either 1,200 or 1,600. It's way more than I have ever put in here. You definitely fit a lot in here. I need to get a new one, but I had a cargo net that went across and it worked really well for that. But this cart allows me to move my firewood a lot easier. I have piles all over from cutting down trees last year and chopping it all. Now I'm working on all the cleanup still. And this makes it a little easier to bring it all down here and start stacking it. But if you're looking for a really good cart, like I mentioned, this also dumps. Since I'm going to be stacking this, I don't want to dump it into a pile right now. I'm going to be stacking it directly into the pile. But it dumps. All the rails come off, like I mentioned. You got nice big rubber tires, so it goes over the ground. Pretty easy, pretty nice. Handles the gravel, mud, everything pretty much. It has sat out in the weather since day one, and it has held up pretty well. So if you're looking for a pretty good dump cart that's not going to be too expensive, you can pull with your mower, a small tractor, ATV, whatever it might be. This one handles a lot of weight, like I mentioned, and it's just been a really good dump cart for me. If you're still wondering if this cart trailer is worth getting, I think it is, and I do recommend it after a year and a half of using it.